3. Microsoft Windows. Dear friends, we have learned that Microsoft Windows is an operating system. It is a system software that controls the overall activities of a computer. It provides you a base platform to work with computer. It is a user-friendly software. Let's learn more about it. Microsoft Windows Operating System. Microsoft Windows is the most popular operating system software today. It controls the computer hardware and tells them what to do as per the instructions of the user. Microsoft Windows is a GUI, graphical user interface based like copying, pasting, moving, saving, opening or deleting etc. by just clicking the graphics. Windows have several versions such as Windows 98, Windows 2000, Windows XP, Windows Vista, etc. Microsoft Windows 7 is the latest version so far. Windows Desktop. When you first turn on the computer, Windows operating system automatically starts loading to the computer's memory. Then appears the Windows Desktop. It is a picture with many graphics on it as shown below. This picture indicates the computer is now ready to work with. Look at the picture of Windows Desktop shown above. It has two icons, two bar icons. On the Windows Desktop, you see all small graphics, pictures with names. These graphics are called icons. They are linked to different programs, files, or folders. You can move the icons around on the by clicking and dragging them. Taskbar. It contains the Start button, Program tabs, System tray, etc. The System tray contains a clock and some icon of programs continuously running in the background. Program tabs are the buttons for the opened programs. Clicking a program tab, you can make its window visible or invisible. Program tabs help you switch between the programs. Windows Explorer. Windows Explorer is a very handy tool for managing your files and folders in computer. It displays the hierarchical structure of files, folders, and drives on your computer. Using Windows Explorer, you can copy, move, rename, and search for files and folders. For example, you can open a folder that contains a file you want to copy or move, and then drag the file to another folder or drive. To open Windows Explorer, click Start, All Programs, Accessories, Windows Explorer. The Windows Explorer's program window appears on the screen. Observe its components carefully. Left task pane. Current or active folder is highlighted. Plus signifies more folders inside a folder or drive. Right task pane. Files and folders. Note: there are other methods to open the Windows Explorer. 1. Hold down the Windows key on keyboard and press the E key. 2. Click the Start, Run, type Explorer into the box and press the Enter key. 3. Double-click My Computer icon on desktop. Click the Folders button at the standard toolbar. Viewing contents of a file or folder. In Windows Explorer, to view the contents of a file or folder. 1. In the left task pane, click on the required folder to select it. 2. The contents of the selected folder are displayed in the right task pane. Changing the file, folders, views. To change the views of the file or folders, click the Views button on the standard toolbar. It gives you 5 options to choose any one of them. Let's learn about them. Thumbnails view. It displays the images of contents a folder contains on a folder icon so that you can quickly identify the contents of the folder. Tiles view. It displays your files and folders as large icons. The sort information you select is displayed under the file or folder name. Icons view. It displays your files and folders as icons. The file name is displayed under the icon. In this view, you can display your files and folders in groups. List view. It displays the contents of a folder as a list of file or folder names preceded by small icons. It is useful if your folder contains many files and you want to scan the list for a file name. You cannot display your files in groups. Details view. In Details view, Windows lists the contents of the open folder and provides detailed information about your files, including name, type, size, and date modified. In Details view, you can also show your files in groups. Copying a file or a folder. Copying a file or a folder is to have its copy in another location without removing it from its original location. To copy a file or folder, follow the steps given below. 1. On the right column of the Windows Explorer screen, click to select the file or folder you want to copy. 2. Click the Edit menu and choose the Copy option. Windows copies the selected file or folder. 3. On the left column of the Windows Explorer screen, click to select the file or folder in which you want to paste the copied file or folder. 4. Click the Edit menu and choose the Paste option. 5. Windows pastes the selected file or folders in it. Note: you can select more than one file or folder by pressing the Shift key or the Control while clicking them. Moving a file or folder. Moving a file or folder means to shift it from its original location to another location. To move a file or folder, follow the steps given below. 1. On the right column of the Windows Explorer screen, click to select the file or folder you want to move. 2. Click the Edit menu and choose the Cut option. Windows copies the selected file or folder. 3. On the left column of the screen, click to select the file or folder you want to paste the cut file or folder. 4. Click the Edit menu and choose the Paste option. 5. Windows paste the cut file or folder in it. You will notice that the cut file or folder has been removed from the source and moved to the destination folder, creating a shortcut on the desktop. You might have seen some icons with a small jump arrow in their lower left corner of other computers. This is called a shortcut. A shortcut provides an easy and quick way to open the file or folder or program related to it. You can create shortcuts on the